If you are running Google Ads, then you are spending 30 to 40 cents on every dollar on people who are not interested in buying from you. I'm talking about students, job seekers, people researching about your competitors. And in this masterclass, I'm giving you a complete detailed guide on what basically are negative keywords, how negative keywords and their match types are working in 2026 with the new algorithm. And I'm also going to give you my own personal negative keywords list that me and my clients use to stop our bleed on Google Ads. So basically, what are negative keywords? To start with, for those who don't know what negative keywords is, what negative keywords are, negative keywords are a list of keywords that you use in your search ads for Google Ads to tell Google and its algorithm to whom your ad should not show. For example, you are an e-commerce store selling Nike shoes, so you will add keywords like Nike shoes for sale, Nike shoes in this size, Nike shoes for men or women, whatever. But in negative keywords, you will add Adidas shoes, Nike shoes for kids, if you are not selling the shoes for kids, obviously. And then keywords like these that Google should and its algorithm should know that your ad should not show to people who are searching these terms. So basically, this is just a basic overview of what keywords are and what negative keywords are. And the shift of keywords in 2026 is just that in previous years and in previous decade, what people could do is that they would just put the major keyword in and let the Google's AI algorithm do the work, where it would go and find the customers for your keywords and basically just filter it out. Now this method would work in the past if you actually had some huge budget, but now what Google and their algorithm has done is that they have started to minimize the budget that they require for your ad to be shown to the correct audience. So now what happens in 2026 is, if you are a luxury watch brand, then you might write keywords like luxury watches and keywords like these. Now what would happen is, if you start showing your ad to people, Google will start showing your ad to people who are searching terms like repairs for luxury watches, used luxury watches, used watches pictures, things like these. Google will show your ad to them because it thinks they are related, even though you are just selling your watches, and those terms are for repairing, for used watch information, for their serial number, things like that. But Google will still show your ad to those people because it thinks that your ad and the customer search intent is both relevant. So now in this case, what you would do is you would find those negative keywords that Google will show on your dashboard in Google Ads and add that list into your Google negative keywords list. So in future, your ad is not shown to the people who are searching those terms, and over time Google will start recommending you the negative keywords that you can add this negative keyword for your brand. Now let's move towards the match type trap, which most business owners fall into. The first negative broad match type is obviously the broad match. Like in keywords, you have the broad match. In the same wise, you will have the negative broad match terms. In here, you will, for example, if you are a watch brand and you want to remove any search term that has free in it for watches, or for whatever the term it may be, for example, how to repair a watch for free, anything like that. If you use the word free, then any search term that has the word free in it, any search term, whether that has your search term in it, your keywords in it or not, your ad will not be shown to them if the negative keyword has the free word as broad match. The second negative match type is phrase match. Here you will use quotes, and this blocks the specific order. Like if you want to negate you won't show up for how to fix a watch, but you might still show up for fix my watch for free if you don't have other negative keywords in place. Likewise, we will have negative exact match, where you will use the square brackets, and this only blocks that specific identical query. And in 2026, this is the most useless for high volume accounts because there are too many variations, and that's why you will just focus on broad match and phrase match for your business. Now, if you want, you can do this yourself, but if you want expert guidance and someone with experience, then make sure to contact me and my team on the link below. Till next video, goodbye.